Hi, Demon 10th graders. I hope you're doing well. Or should I say, hi, Garrett. I hope you're doing well. Uh, I'm actually out of school on today, October 19th. So it's basically just a video because I wanted to make sure the sub didn't have too much to deal with. So I just did a video guide related to Martin Luther, which is what you guys got started with on Thursday. So it's not the SDL, but it'll give you some good background context on the SDL. So go ahead and just remind yourself as far as some of the stuff that we talked about last class with this warm up. Hit pause, make sure that you're aware of these different concepts and what exactly Martin Luther did, what's a Protestant, and what are the three main branches of Christianity, which we talked about last class. Okay, so as a reminder, we did go over this diagram, which has the branches of Christianity. We had Orthodox, which is this one over here. We have Catholicism, and then we have Protestantism. So that is basically the three main branches right there. Protestantism actually kind of goes right here. So anyways, and then that kind of went over here and over here. So make sure you're aware of that. Also, here's our objective. So you might want to pause and read that. A little bit of a redo on the dates for the SDL number 2 with this development as far as me being gone today for the substitute teacher, Miss Pina. So today we are going to be building context through this video. And then Wednesday, we're going to be kind of moving everything back one day. So on Wednesday, we're going to be doing that outline and writing your rough draft. Friday, we're going to be doing peer editing and writing your final draft. So you are going to be there for that peer editing. So that's good there, Garrett. And then it will be due on Tuesday before class starts. So that's the updated dates on our SDL. Okay, as promised, I wanted to give you guys about 20 minutes to be able to finish up the document analysis and to do a little additional research related to our question. So as you can see, our compelling question is down here. Why did Martin Luther challenge the Catholic Church, and what was the impact on Christianity? So make sure that you're going through those two documents, document A, document B, and then you are going to be researching document C and document D, which ideally you have one secondary source that you've gotten from a library database and one primary source that you've gotten through a smart Google search, and you've put that over here along with some information that relates to the compelling question that you can use for evidence. So that's the goal. So make sure that you are ready to go as far as that goes, and you can move on. Okay, so now the assignment for today is in its learning. So there's a video guide that looks like this. The link to the video is in the directions, so you can access that link. It's about a little under an hour, so we're going to take a good chunk of class today to be able to get through this. It's somebody named Rick Steves, who is a very well-known travel person that kind of says he does a lot of Europe. So since the Reformation is based in Europe, I figured that he was good. And sure enough, as I went through and reviewed it, it was a lot of good stuff. So, I mean, what I would consider good stuff. I don't know if you would consider it good stuff, Garrett. So anyways, that's the assignment for today. So make sure you're going through that, completing it, and then hit that submit button, and then you're done, man. All right. Thanks, Garrett. Take care.